Why are people complaining about Ndi Orieke Road in Ohafia?
Well, Ndi Orieke Road is a road that from the time Dr. Michael Opara was living here, he promised to build the road, and Abia road, and Isubu road, and also Akanuku road, and Okon road. So I built all these roads.
Has Ndi Orieke Road been completed? Ajụjụ m ga-eju arụbala ụzọ Ndi Orieke ndị nji fụ ebe abaghị ya ifu akwụkwọ a Facebook a WhatsApp asị anyị Ndi Orieke Road has been completed. Let me give the clarification. Afia mama no nwanne unu nwoke MC Baron abịala mmadụ ọta unu amala ife emezi ndị afịa si ekwu ya nwa mma ya sị n'ọwa na News FM ka ile ebe nwa m nọ wụ nleta anya cyber efe ọwụ Ndi Orieke Ohafia efe ọwụ ụzọ Ndi Orieke. So afọ m online ebe asị nna anyị ukwu Senator ORJI UZOR KALU arụbale ụzọ Ndi Orieke, and some people also came and started congratulating him having completed Ndi Orieke Road. Ana m adị ụzọ na-abaghị kama Ndi Orieke. So achọrọ m letụtani ebe arụrụ ụzọ ọrụ mbe so that I will also give my own congratulatory message to Senator ORJI UZOR KALU for ịrụ n'anya ụzọ Ndi Orieke, because this road is a very bad road. So I let anya phone ebe anyị rụrụ dị ụzọ mbe.
So you let anya from Asaga na eweda saje. Ya fosi ụzọ Ndi Orieke zan ko na gasaje aka anọ ya anọ. Ejikwa contractor kwa ya akwa kompeto ndị ebe ndị akụpechi ba. Awete ya ko anọ ya anọ. Oge fe ndị ọdụ eme ya. Ni letọkwa ya hụ ugbo fọdụ kwa hụ ụzọ. Fọkwa hụ ụzọ Ndi Orieke gakwa ya hụ na ba isi Ndi Orieke mebe rụrụ aka dọba. Never if you do my car there, it's a contractor. Kotoba, Kotoba. And won't get found asphalt. I wore your stone base. I know ya. Found my honey in a house. I don't go side on my own. I am selling Ndi Orieke. I got no sorry. Oza Saga, with us, with Ndi Orieke. Never la video, get for legacy. Or goes down on side by the bank caterpillar. Why by the side, How you ten issue in Cabio, and Yamana. I bought where bound on the Uzo, Rusa. The more I hide and Yamana. Because as you buy on those or your opposite as a government, not the state government, Dr. Alex Sotin, we interested, but not going to news for Siano layer, you may nega. Other people might also be interested. Mandi go down, we can't be interested, Greater Ohafia Development Authority, we can't be interested. But now no like a Siano layer, right layer off, your work. So I'm for 10 mana, a ban on Yarumbe, because the Washiga has been completed. Or ya English do maybe FMB and level. Ebe anyị nọ ugbu a ụfụla anya gbagalezi ebe dị rusa ebe ọwụ ebe anyị rusa anyị fekwa elegasi korota amaile lakwa azọ tụma nnọwa anya afọ si korota amaile. So ebe ọwụ ebe korota mai lele fele korota ya lele size fele korota ya thickness ya and the rest. Just look at it. I wouldn't want to talk about it, but I am sure say Senator OUK is aware that this is the type of water at this place, because this thing is very low. The asphalting is too slow, it's too small. The size inches be too small. Starting from airborne, but I will now show you people the other remaining part of it. Let's just go and see what's going on here. Now the road, they rescued the road quite alright. Senator ORJI UZOR KALU, I also say thank you very much for the road though. But what I want to say is the standard of the road is what we are complaining about, is what we are looking at. I'm made the way say 4 block, 4 block, 5 capes, and even these ones too. This gutter, I know you may. 4 block. This thing is block. 4 block. My area, my other side. That's it. Gutter will block. So when I was complaining about the lele asphalt, asphalt, so Senator Dr. ORJI UZOR KALU, I don't know if you are aware about the standard of the road that the company you sent to do the road did for us. While I say thank you for the road, I also want to make some clarifications. The level also end where
the standard of is very bad. Mini J2, mini Yakoposhi bad also. And it was a project and a standard one that will last for our community. And Japan, I forever do also mention it in the hand. Onye nwere contractor Ada Senator Dr. ORJI UZOR KALU Lelea Senator Dr. ORJI UZOR Apo Kalu Kalu Ampo. And the road is construction of 1 kilometer Ohafia Abaribara Ndi Orieke road Ohafia local government. So what he said is 1 kilometer road. And when they say it has been completed, what it means is that they have completed doing the 1 kilometer. The 1 kilometer, the whole road has been completed. No. So that government of Abia State might decide to pick up this project and do it. Dr. Alex Oti, government of Abia State, Ndi Orieke road has not been completed. Senator ORJI UZOR KALU did 1 kilometer for Ndi Orieke. Thank you very much, Senator ORJI UZOR KALU, for the 1 kilometer you've done for Ohafia and Ndi Orieke. I really appreciate. But I also have my complaint. Please tell the company that did this to increase their standard of work. Got on, just like I've said before, is block 4 block and look at how poorly done the asphalting is. The layer for the pallet. I will maybe this is supposed to be asphalt done very well. So I am only saying, please, Senator ORJI UZOR KALU, kindly recall back in there on the agency's Federal Corporation OG. Okay, the contractor is Swiby Africa Limited. Please, Swiby Africa Limited. I don't think this is what Senator ORJI UZOR KALU said he should do for Abia State. Ndi Orieke. This thing is too shabbishly done. There. And then and the rest. Cement technology would have been better for us. But still, thank you very much. Actually, Senator ORJI UZOR KALU, thank you so much for this road. One, because all Guinea represents whether party or no party, you are our senator. But because quality make sense. It is very important. Then also to clarify that Ndi Orieke road has not been completed. And when you complete the nose on Ndi Orieke, because a government of Abia State, Greater Ohafia Development Agency, other people that want to contribute to fixing Ndi Orieke road, because I see Nakaro Ndi Orieke road. Metromaka na share button. Metromaka a share button no gaba shows you no madu do men week for ya. Anya clarify for no government to chere saranye Ndi Orieke onwa. Wa resara Ndi Orieke ro anya zebo pokwari asaga. Ozo eru ha ba sa halege ime Ndi Orieke. Afamo MC Baron. Can no one.
It's just former politicians trying to bring people down. The road was supposed to be 600 meters, and my foundation, ORJI UZOR KALU Foundation, added another 400 meters when the contractor told us that the road will not go to the back area to enter to the village. And I paid millions of naira to have from my pockets to make sure that those people, because it's a bad situation during rainy season and off season. You can't go there. People go with motorcycles, can't even go there. These people are like forgotten people in Abia State. Opera promised them to build the road. Chief Sam Bakwe promised to build the road. Dr. Bonner promised to build the road. ORJI UZOR KALU, me as governor, promised to build the road. ORJI promised to build the road. Okay, they all promised to build it, but we didn't do it. As a senator, I just say some federal interventions. I believe I could do this. And that is why I'm doing the road. I didn't do Yang Road in Abia where nobody goes there for life. And I'm looking at areas where people don't go. And I'm very grateful that I've done it. If a contractor have done that road and it's not looking where there are some 2-3 meters that have some engineering defaults, even Julius Berger have engineering defaults, it will be ratified. I mean, it's not something any right-thinking person, knowing Ndi Orieke people where they stand, should go to be shouting on the Facebook. And this is just unbelievable that people can be this wicked, knowing the way Ndi Orieke had been. I want to congratulate myself and congratulate President Tinubu and that also give that intervention. It was 600 meters. I paid for the other 400 meters from my pocket. to just make sure that they get to where these people can get to. And this year, we are going to put another 600-700 meters or 1 kilometer there again to make sure we don't go despair. That is it. And I'm happy that the contractor did a very good job. If there's a default anywhere, it will be addressed. It happened in Allied, we address the default. It happened everywhere. We have built over 130 something roads in Abia North. And if 1 or 2 have default, it will be addressed. So why are they shouting? It's not anything for anybody to shout. I'm committed personally to the welfare of the people of Abia North. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ndi Orieke. I want to use this medium to encounter a viral video that's going on in Ndi Orieke area of Ohafia. As you can see, I'm using the light. You can see yourself, you and others. Fine. Now, what am I saying here? Let me start from the offset of these projects. When we came here for preliminary aspect of this project before the commencement of the construction, I went down and I find out that here is totally swamp area. As you can see, this is up the hill and this is down the hill. Yourself. After the view, you are seeing down there now. Look at the view. When you see the light view there, from there down is all through gully. So now I have to approach the senator. According to my professional idea, I have to let him know some certain things that may go wrong. That may not actually benefit the people of the building, even to 600 have been introduced to this place. Because in this road, that 600 is not up to 30% of it. That's 30% to access to Ndi Orieke community. So the 600 is not up to 30 to 35% to access Ndi Orieke. So when I told him I convinced him about this because of the gully and because of their bridge and all of that along this road, he very much it touches him. He said, what will he do as a side? You have to add like 400 meters in addition to the 600 so that then we have 1 kilometer here at the stretch, which he did. That mounted an extra 150 something million, including the bridge. Now you can see the work is well perfectly done and finished work. And somebody from nowhere, which I can say is envy, wickedness. Someone that don't like progress of Ndi Orieke, that don't like the progress of Senator. Yes, why I say Ndi Orieke? Because Ndi Orieke said when they saw the video online, they have to call me. Their president called me. He also made a video and sent to me, encountering that person that what he did is wrong with it. I've never sent him for anything. And meanwhile, their road is well in good condition. Their road is well finished and well standard work I have done in their community. Was actually apologizing to me, the engineer himself. So what am I saying? I want the public to look at the road that somebody has been condemning. And the other side of 400 meters, we use block technology. Not just block. It's a casted block technology dimension we use, which that comes with reinforcement. Meaning, if you check the base, we have the iron in it before we introduce the block and cast it again. So therefore, I want to let everybody know that what this man is coming with is just fake. Now I'm going to take the public down where this road is stopped and where it ends, so that you can see yourself. If there's anything to condemn this work with, let us judge this situation. So let's take the public. See how she can finish it. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ndi Orieke Road. And
hello, my people. I think I don't see everything that has to do with construction until Abia na Ohafia. Ndi Orieke go get it. 6 inches block raw drainage. Mayor plaza on the masonry. You can see the block. You can see the block mode. And this is a drainage that a run in the village. There was don't have an original old culvert. So this is here on Ohafia. The asphalt they make one actually in Abia Gagahona as also maybe people from fridge. Yeah, asphalt they roll on the mother also in a village. I just say because we have rights to always inspect and also supervise what our rep members, senators, what they are doing for us, because it's our right, it's our duty. So I said I'm there here on Ohafia today, Saturday, the 29th day of March 2025.